This is Ivy, and welcome to the Coupon Camp. We are in Hobby Lobby, me and my mother, and we are about to start looking at some Valentine's Day stuff, but also they got spring stuff on sale, and Easter's is here. So let's see what they got. They got the spring shop, 40% off. These baskets are $19 and 40%. Oh, is that it? That's how they look. That's all the stuff in the basket. And look at all these different colors they come in. Look at that. Gray, pink. Oh, look at this color. This is different. That's different right there. And they got, of course, my favorite green. That one is 11, so let me see the difference. Oh, little one. Okay, I see what they think. All right. Oh, look at that. These baskets. This the spring shop too. 40% off, $7.99. They got all the baskets. Then you get into like the traditional colors. Black, red, and white right here. So, okay, here's the spring shop again. And here we go with time to do your bathrooms, your kitchens, redo everything. Look at that. What is that? It's I don't know what it is though. Oh, a timer. All right. Okay, it's a timer. $5.99. Remember, it's 40% off everything. Oh, strawberry patches. That's so pretty for the spring. Yeah, so it'll be $3. Here's the lemons. You know, brighten up your kitchen. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That's pretty. It's a lemon. It's a lemon cookie jar. Yep. Yes, it is. It's $24. $14.99. That's nice. But look, strawberry cookie jar. Oh my God, guys, they got so much nice stuff. I like that. I don't know which one I want. I think I'll probably go for the lemon one. Only, and look at this, a hot air popcorn maker. $29. Popcorn has become popular since. Look at that. This good to drink some lemonade, $4.99. So it's $2.99. Oh, that is so cute. Oh wow, I could just buy all of that stuff up. All of it. Then they got all their little cups on sale. The cups, that's $7.99. Why is this cup more expensive than the other one? But it's $7.99. Okay, and then you got the animal prints. What's that? A little sloth. Sloths are famous for some reason now. And that's $9.99. Oh, here. Look at that. It's clear. And it's $9.99. I don't think I'll pay that for that though. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is just so much stuff, fun stuff in. Whoa, it's got a price tag on it though. But what is it? I think it just go in the room or is my mother says the house of who's. Look at that. That is so cute, the furniture. But this is a sale and that one $89. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I have put more rugs down. I like these. This is $29. So it's $14 right now. All the spring pictures, they got all the, look at that. Look. That's cute. And this is by the spring shop. I just noticed the spring shop make pictures now. Well, I probably didn't know that they made them. Door steps. Oh, dog decorations for the hall. Okay, look at this. Oh my God. That's so pretty. That'll go in the yard. Those are yard stakes. And that's $21. So don't forget 40% off of 21. And it's got all kinds. Oh, these will be in my yard right here. The yoke. Look at that, mother. Oh, that's gorgeous. That I think that'll be so pretty just in front of your yard, like a lot of plants. Yes, in front of the fence.
About 4 or 5 of them.
Yep, that'll be nice.
Yellow.
And I'll just say the yellow ones, because it's a sunflower actually. That's what it is, and it's a stake on the end. Oh, it's got 2 leaves. Yeah. 2 leaves, and then the stake to go in the ground. Yeah. That, and it's 40% off. Oh, look at that. Look. Little garden insect, $4.99, so they are $2.99. Look at this sunflower. But these the ones go in the yard. I had some little animals, some little groundhogs, and they had the little eyes like this. And they are $19, but they 40% off. That I love that. Yellow, I'm always going for yellow. Some yes, this year I'm yellow. Look at that. I've been yellows and look at this.
I think these are so cute.
So how much are these? What is oh, is that what he is?
I guess he a lizard.
Yeah, he $24, so he $14. Now that's pretty. The little mushrooms and they $6.99. And all of the little frogs. Look at that, guys. Y'all cannot beat this to go in front of your house. And $14. But I would even buy these to put on a table or something. Wouldn't that be cute? Just to put on the table. Look at that. $17. That's so cute.
They got so
Oh my
much cute
God.
stuff.
Look at him. $11.99, guys. I mean, like, I will put these on tables in rooms. Look at the red ant. The red ant. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh wow. I like that. Oh, that's cute. Welcome to the porch. Yep. Gosh, look. It worked. You take the gas out. Look at this.
It sure is.
You could take out the handle. Look at that. Oh my God, my kids will play with that crazy. Cause it's a gas pump.
Old-fashioned pump.
It's $24, so that means it's $14. Oh wow, that is so cute. Look at that. Camper. My favorite. A camper. And it's 24. Look at that. Beach more, worry less. That's pretty. Oh wow. So I need to put pictures up in the washroom. Look at that. Enjoy your journey. Oh, that's cute. I like that too. Oh, baskets. Here's some. That's Spring Shop 34. Look at that basket. Magic. And it's two more inside of it with little shingles on the arms. So that's cute. I had to get this pushed out some. Okay, there it is. That's cute. Sorry guys, all of that shaking around. Wash, dry, fold, repeat. Okay, so look at this. Okay, so it's the summer. I want happy pictures. I want all of that happy. So I like that.
Oh, yeah.
And I love that because that look like something Carly would get though, don't it? Look at that shit. And all of this is by Spring Shop. All of it. Oh, look at that. Onions, potatoes. And this 40% off. Spring Shop is the place to be. Oh my God. That remind me of my grandmother, guy, right here.
She had
$19. Vegetables. And then the little oinky, look, a piggy. Oh, look at this. That's cute. And it is $69, but it's 40% off. This is also cute. And it's $199. But I like that just to have. So the Paper Studio is 50% off, guys. Back. And it's back. Look at this, guys. So here's this letters, paper clips, all kind of stuff. So this is the Paper Studio. If you make envelopes, money envelopes, any of that, journals, all of that, all of this is for that. And it is so fun to do. Oh, that's like 6 years of root with the Lord. Hey guys, so I'm going to grab some of these Paper Studios. This one is, these are like spiritual, Jesus, rooted in the Lord. And I got 2 of those. Then I got some of these stickers. That one, that's cute. And then I got those. And some of those. And that one. So I'm going to grab these. They are 50% off, so at $1.99. So they're $1.99. Yep. That's good enough for me. $1.98, one of them. Look at that. That's a pumpkin. That should be cheaper than that. Here's another one. This one is $2.49. And that's Christmas. That's cute right there. Oh, look at that one. Okay. Those are cute also. I like that one. I think I'll grab that one. Okay, look at these furnitures. They 30% off. Oh, this is a cathedral. Look at that. And you, it's a stain. Put stuff on top of, and it's $6.99. And some of them 19. Now I went in someone's house and they had these in here. I thought they were so cute. Okay, guys. So make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this channel, and I'm gonna leave you with a little of the just the ASMR going out the door. I won't be talking that much anymore. Okay. It's 90% off. Yeah. All of this is 99 cents. The candle